Sina, they have really gotten into the match. They have their rhythm going for them, and Mayet Carolino making a huge impact here in the third set.
And siguro this is just what they need, ano? In the first set, especially yung hinahanap ni Coach Rico nga, yung buhay at saka yung aggressiveness dito sa team. And now you see that the people on the floor are now smiling. Kanina, something that, we didn't even see from the Lady Troopers.
And I bet you, Ann, pati si Coach Rico is smiling.
Oo, nakasmiling. And with this lead that they have, of course. And looking at some numbers now, I think what really made the difference here for the Philippine Army here in the third set is the number of attacks that they've scored. Ateneo scoring 5 as compared to 10 already of the Philippine Army. So that's just 50% for Ateneo.
Let's see if Tajima can bring back her serve in that first set na talagang scored 2 service aces with those tough serves. But Torres getting a good reception. Good block by Phil. Napatalsik si Phil eh. Pag tama nung bola ni Maya, tignan natin to. Look at Phil. Ayun, tatalsik sa balikan. But nevertheless, that point belongs to her, giving Ateneo close by 2 points, only down by 2. Pinabawi agad.
Carolino, that was a very sharp attack. Bilis nung, look at this. Not a full swing actually for Mayet.
Michelle's service in. Back row attack for Alisa. What a gut shot from the back row. The height that she gets, the extension that she gets, sa taas talaga pinapalo. And look at Torres dive for it, but...
And that's how you can, that's how easy probably attacking would be. Kung talagang, if you take time, taking the full approach.
Just like that lady over there, Rachel Ann.
Makikita mo kasi si Alisa sa lahat ng attempts niya, she really tries as much as she can to have that full swing, full approach.
This time it's back-to-back points for Alisa Valdez. This time she hits it down the line.
And just looking at the score now, a while ago, the Philippine Army had a very comfortable lead. But looking at it, ang bilis humabol ng Ateneo.
Yonko gets a set, but this one dug up by Phil. Oh, nice dig from Torres. Oh, there's a touch. Lazaro. I think if she let it go, it could have went out.
It was on its way out, actually.
Ay, nagsusorry siya kasi sabi niya,
palabas na eh.
Yeah, but that was a reflex move. Kung nga namang the ball is like inches away from you, ang instinct mo is to reach out and try to save that dig. Nagtatrabaho na si Rachel. Back-to-back points this time for the Army standout. Rachel Andakis giving them a 3-point lead. Ateneo with their timeout. Let's listen in.
Dong, pag bila ka ng dalawa, iulog ka naman dito kanina.
Sabi mo yung hindi nag-block, tapos
Dito yung... Ha? Tiyak ko ba, pero pag bulak-bulak, paloy mo ha?
FEU Makati, the newest campus of FEU, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. Mag-enroll kami ni Barry. Tama ka?
Sige. Libre mo yung tuition?
Oh, basta ikaw gagawa ng assignment. Tina Salak off to Rachel. Mayet with a good save. Oh! Well, Yonko was falling behind instead of moving forward to get to the ball. So another close one here in the third. It's just a 2-point lead for the Philippine Army. And you've got Zee Herbacio with a jump. Ang dami ng block ni Yongko.
Always getting a touch.
Rachel dug up by Z. Nako, basang-basa yun.
Oh, look at that. Mayet Carolino. Now Torres.
Pero ang lakas yung palo ni
Oo.
Alisa na yun, ha?
Oh! Sabi ni Jem Ferrer, Tina, hindi lang ikaw may kayang gumawa niyan. And sometimes it's interesting, you know, when you look at if you're here actually watching live, you'll sometimes see Tina Salak and Jem Ferrer talking on the net. Hindi trash talking, as in really talking
Yeah.
at the net.
Parang, saan kayo kagabi? Labo,
Parang
no?
nagkukwentuhan.
Ano na nangyari kay ano? Nagsismisan sa court? Pwede ba yun?
Ganun ba kayo dati?
Kung trash talking, maintindihan ko. Pero yung kwentuhan...
Hindi. You'd see them really talk. As in
Talking.
conversation, yeah. So, hindi nga trash talking eh. Nag-uusap.
ano na nangyari kay ganito? Alam mo, ganun. Teka, ito na. Referee bumipito. Ganun. Mamaya ulit.
Or nagbibiroan sa net.
Bibiroan.
Oo.
Siguro tinatanong ni Tina, oy, kanino mo ba ibibigay para alam ko? Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. But joking aside, alam mo, before when I used to play, I would sometimes tell the spiker in front of me, ibibigay ko kay ganito, blockin mo. You know, parang yabang
you're
lang.
You're psyching your opponent.
That's true. So, sasabihin ko, ibibigay ko sa teammate ko, let's say, Bong Davis at that time. Bibigay ko kay Bong, bantayan mo na. Sinasabi ko na. And then, ibibigay ko talaga. And then, it's up to Bong, problema niya.
Ganun ka pala? Ganun ka pala, Doc?
Bahala na kung paano niya ilulusot. But, that gives the blocker something to think about. Ano ba, ibibigay ba talaga?
Actually, you're kind of psyching them. Ano ba to? Niloloko ba ako nito? O ibibigay ba talaga
That's
nito?
right. So, sometimes
So, madalas bang bokeh? Paano? Madalas bang nabablock? O madalas bang...
Well, definitely, marami akong teammate na nakaaway.
Dahil doon.
Wala na nagtiwala sa akin.
Parang yun ang... parang mukhang wala naman ako nakikitang ganun dito.
Wala, magkakasundo lahat tong mga to eh. But nevertheless, at this level, these girls, they always expect a double block going up with them. Kaya pagka isa lang umangat dyan, apatay yan, sigurado.
And I guess it's also different, playing a women's a game and men's game. Iba yung pace.
Yes.
Iba rin yung mas makikita natin sa men's as we're clearing some things here with our officials. Mas mabilis yung patay ng bola sa men's.
True. That's
Rally
true. Faster.
it's much faster, but whereas yung rallies naman dito sa babae, yun mas madalas natin nakikita.
Alright, they're checking the technical committee on...
the rotation, I think.
Yes. Because they made a call earlier, so Philippine Army, with Rachel Ann serving, they find themselves up by 3 points here in this crucial. I say crucial kasi we're tied at 1 set apiece. Alam natin, pagka nakalamang ka na dito sa third, I was about to say, they have a solid chance of, clinching this one, but now it's just 2 points, and it is Alisa up to serve for Ateneo, so it's still anybody's set as of now. Safely over, Tina Salak sets up Michelle. And she is so smart, and she identified Jem as her blocker. Doon talaga niya pinadaan. Timeout again for Coach Parley Tupas. Let's listen in.
Progress na! Eh,
Alright, again, the Shakey's Open Volleyball Invasion. For all of you guys out there, for every 500 peso food purchase at any Shakey's branch within Metro Manila and Makati, you get 1 free ticket for the finals of the Open Conference. Of course, pagka mas malaki yung inyong food bill, then that would mean more tickets. Basta every 500 peso food purchase would mean 1 free ticket. And so, pagka ganun, like ikaw, umorder ka ng Shakey's kahapon, yung ticket, bigay mo sa akin para libre ang pasok ko dito.
Libre ka naman yata talaga.
Oh, what a save!
Oh, it doesn't go over. Doesn't reach the other side, but you know, good job.
Yes,
to the
very
Lady
good.
Eagles. Saan mo makikita itong Lady Eagles, ano? Pag yung bola kahit mukha ng imposible habulin, they would still go after the ball.
Remarkable effort from the Lady Eagles. Short serve from Tina. Jem Ferrer sets it up. Phil, nakalusot sa block ni Carolina. Good block by Mayet, but unfortunately, sa lakas ng palo, at saka wala sa posisyon yung arms niya talaga. It is now set point for the Philippine Army. Solid defense by Alisa. One more go. Oy!
Too short. That set was too short. Let's see now. Oh, the play has worked for Ateneo. Right there in the middle where they have two attackers. Ano yun yung sinasabi natin, may magkukwik, merong magpapatong. It has worked for them.
Yung kombinasyon.
Kombinasyon.
Down by only 2. Kayang-kaya habulin natin. Let's see kung anong play ng Army. Oh!
Una!
Again, kung merong kombinasyon yung Ateneo, itong Army, yung double quick play nila ang pamatay nilang kombinasyon.
And, you know, with the kind of attackers that they have, it's working as we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play. Look at this. Salak to Bunag. That's that gave the Philippine Army the third set. Score is 25-22.